Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert dash line shape in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, go to a blank page. Then go to the tools section and we can see here many tools. Now I am select the shapes drop down menu and we can see here many shapes. Now I am select the rounded rectangle. Then draw a rounded rectangle to this page. Then go back again the tool section and select the move tool. Now we can see we insert a shape. Now we want to add dash border to this shape. Select this stroke color option. You can choose any color. Now I am select the black color and choose the stroke option and increase the white. Now I want to add dash border. Select this dash line style. We can see here the square cap or the boot cap or round cap. You can use any cap to this option. Now I am select the boot cap. You can increase the size or decrease. Otherwise you can change the color to this shape fill. Otherwise you can change the color stroke. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.